welcome to Gardening with Nabart. And today we are not in my garden. Today we are taking a trip to go to this beautiful city right behind me called Lozère. We are going to see flower market there. We are really excited. We met up with some American friends. We are driving together. We're going to spend the day just walking around and seeing the new town and looking at the flowers. So we are taking you to the journey with us. I hope you will enjoy this video, and we'll show you as soon as we get there. Have a good trip. Can I show this one? To show you this interesting Ceanothus that I just found. It's variegated. Look at this, how beautiful. It's really interesting. I don't think I've ever seen one variegated variety before, but this one was interesting. I thought I can show you. Yeah. Let's go see what else is there. The roses that are so beautiful right now. Pierre de Ronsard, which I have in my garden. Really beautiful. I think this is a Pierre de Ronsard. Yes, so it's a Pierre de Ronsard. Beautiful Eden rose, climbing. Really interested in this red one though. Oh, look at these gorgeous roses. Oh my word.
Bonjour.
Bonjour. C'est très joli. Beautiful. C'est rosé grimpant, oui. Grimpant, d'accord.
Grimpant, remontant.
Oh.
Grimpant et remontant.
Ah, d'accord. C'est très. This is beautiful. This one is gorgeous. Absolutely.
Voilà, ils sont moins fleuris actuellement parce que
oui.
c'est un peu tôt, on n'est que la mi-avril. Voilà.
Oui, d'accord. Voilà. Merci beaucoup. This one is beautiful. I need to think about this one.
C'est le même.
C'est le même, c'est Batero aussi.
Il y a des boutons, ça remonte. Après il va faire d'autres boutons.
Ah, d'accord. This is really pretty too. This one is. Ah, this is a cyclamen. So this is a Pierre de Ronsard cyclamen. I have seen this one, and it is gorgeous. It doesn't have a smell, but it's beautiful and it's large, isn't it? Gorgeous flowers. All right, let's go around and look some more. Oh my lord. This one is sweet love. Oh, look at this. Bonjour. Okay. What did he say? Let's look at this. No, not like $15. This one, oh my gosh, look at this. So pretty. Oh.
$15, that's not bad.
This is
now,
sweet
do you
love.
have to put roses in the ground or can they grow in a pot?
They will grow in the pot, but they need a good amount of sun. Most roses. There are some that can survive with half shade.
Yeah.
But most of them, if you have sun, you can have a nice big pot. As long as you feed them in a pot, they will do well.
Okay. See? You can have a rose.
This is gorgeous.
Sunspot left.
Oh. Huh?
We don't have a lot of sun. Half of the terrace is shade.
Oh yeah, I noticed that you have a nice shady area. This is so pretty. I really love this other one though. Oh my gosh. How much is this one? It's a sweet love. I wonder. The 17? This one is a 17 euro. Oh my word. George, this one is so pretty, huh? I love this one. This is a 27 euro. I just don't have. Huh? That's with Vigilia. I love the white one. I like the white one, and I love this red one too. I don't have a lot of room for climbing though. I don't have, well, I don't know what I would do with, I could put him on an arbor or something, or against the fence maybe. Oh, the hookahs. Oh, I've been into hookahs lately so bad. Yes, I started buying them.
The perennials and hotsas. I
yes.
used to have so many hotsas.
I just planted few. Yeah,
I had a lot of problems with slugs though, but I finally figured out how to do it. I put down some. It's a fertilizer pellet, but it's like aluminum.
Oh, really?
And it killed the slugs.
Really?
But
where did you get them?
Organic.
Oh, you got one. But this is a very pretty one. How much is this one? I wonder. It goes up. Coccinella. Malus coccinella, une nouvelle variété de pommier à fleurs avec un feuillage purpure. Hi everyone! So I think this is my first purchase here. I am purchasing this gorgeous crab apple tree. Look at the color of these beautiful flowers. Absolutely beautiful. This one is a smaller one. It looks like this is a new variety. What it said on the sign here that I was reading. It's the name of this crab apple is Coccinella. Malus coccinella is the name. Oh, let me hold this a little better. So, Malus coccinella, pommier d'ornement. So this is a decorative crab apple, beautiful. It goes up only 2 meters high and 1.5 meters in wide, so the width. So it's going to be perfect size and it's going to be absolutely stunning. So I'm really excited. So my first find for today. So do you have what is I mean, clearly we don't have any, but this is a bit heavier.
Yeah, that looks heavy.
Yeah, but boy, this is gorgeous, isn't it?
Oh,
Thank you,
love
so
it.
sweet
It's
too.
so helpful.
It's going to be beautiful.
Oh my gosh,
What a great addition to your garden. I've never seen this color.
Yes,
Pink.
isn't it?
It's
funny. I was watching one yesterday online. It's called. It was Prairie Fire, and I was searching for it, but it looks like it was a very U.S. variety, probably one of the new.
And I think is what it says.
Really? Because she told me it's tolerant to all type of soils.
Yeah.
She said it should be very full sun. Yeah.
So,
And what is the name? Only
Fremontodendron californicum.
Californicum.
Regular name. I thought we could just.
Yeah. Very interesting plant. I haven't seen any. And the leaves look like a fig leaf. Yeah. Like that to me.
Yeah, it does.
Huh. I wonder if we can keep.
And she is gone somewhere, and this one is small, and she's already lost. So you know what happens when I have her at a big one, boys. I lose her for a while.
Oh, that's so funny. We need to put a flag on her, like, you know.
A little bit of See, I'll string all these together, like get clips of what's going on. Then I'll string all these together, probably with some music or something like that, and so people can see. Because the people in the United States seem to really love watching the market videos when we go to a market.
They have a whole daily dancing section. The roses, which I love. They have teas in Georgia, which I need one. But I could get them online, but then I have to pay shipping. So it's only more expensive here. It's like 20 here, and I can get it about 10, but then I have to pay 50 or shipping.
So you may as well get them while you're here.
Let's get them, probably. Did you see this?
No, I haven't gotten them there. Yeah, I'm gonna go take them.
Et vous n'avez jamais quelque chose de,
Annie, t'as la poche?
on va dire, harmonieux, homogène.
Ouais, c'est la poche de Cortez.
There's Vince and
Annie!
Vince and Dominic.
Or just delphiniums are available.
Delphinium.
These are
No,
delphiniums.
not foxglove,
But
delphinium.
they have a foxgloves right there, Diane.
delphinium.
Gorgeous ones.
The color is stunning. Stunning color.
Elle aime bien les chiens.
Mais mes chiens sont très gentils.
Je me suis posé la question en fait. 96. Et c'est. Le coup, il m'appelle et il voit. Alors, je me suis dit,
Okay, everyone, so this will conclude our video for today. Thank you so much for coming along and enjoying this tour with us. Thank you so much for all the subscribers. Again, message me and let me know how you like this video and how you like our market. And have a wonderful week. I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.